laparoscopy surgery. Because she's the one also who's doing the list for surgeries.
Wala.
Esther, hulaan mo. Yes. You have to guess your gift.
Your wish.
Happy. You have to guess your gift. Proud na naman siya.
Picture.
Picture daw. Yes. Make sure.
Antayin ko yung vlog nito ni Sir Alex.
Brief description.
Isend ko lang sa group.
Vlogger na si Sir.
Video pambata ako.
Drive lang tayo today.
Chill lang.
She's very, the person that I know, she's very calm. Even is very chaotic. Ate Radhika. Merry Christmas.
Ay, parang laki-laki. Ay, bongga yan. Ganda ng balot ah. Ay.
She's not listening.
Wait for the description. Wait for the description. Please listen.
Listen. Everyone shut up. Vincent! No!
She looked surprised. She knows already. She was expecting
Nice. It's your turn now.
He's the only kuya in the...
Kuya Alex! Kuya Alex! Thank you.
One more.
Okay.
Okay. Well, Anju's not here, so Anju's
Wala ka nga din dala kayo.
this is my treat.
Ay, ko nga din wala.
Sino yan, te? Anju will be back
Can
on
someone
the...
receive it in behalf of Anju?
Hindi pa dumating.
Yeah, come and
Because actually, Anju is friend is Darlet. And I will give it tomorrow.
Picture. Come.
Okay, wait. Wait lang. One more.
Show the gift.
At least there's someone. Give you the gift tomorrow. Sorry na dalawa rin sila.
I ordered late.
That's actually the
Because actually how she informed me later. Because it's Sancho's friend.
She's not here today. She's from other department in ultrasound.
She's not around. She's not around.
Picture.
Baka may lakad.
Okay.
Next one.
Who's next?
Ewan ko.
Agnes. Okay, the person that I picked is the most wonderful time of the year.
Most wonderful time of the year.
A handsome nurse of Dr. A.
Oh!
Banya!
Handsome.
Happy 2 years! Oo nga, no? 2 years na ako. Pasensya na kayo, wala akong gift eh. Wala siyang wishlist. Si Ate Jessica.
Kala ko pa ba naman si Darn? Thank you. Okay, next. Who has a gift? Oh, yung guy.
Next.
Tapos na.
Bakit? Closing time na ba?
Her favorite color is violet.
Okay. Yan.
Excited na po.
The one, loser.
Say it more.
Walang
He is the most
wonderful time of
see in okay. Violet.
Kasi sa kanya ako naghihingi ng suggestion na
Huwag ka
hindi
na
pala siya nakakulit sa akin.
Dali na.
There's more. This is like the final one.
Suspense.
I have more gift for Abanya tomorrow.
Sorry na
Late
yun.
din.
Hindi pa dumadating. Asa na yun?
Late delivery.
Sana si Buntis ay. Sorry.
Wala na yung suspense ba? Doon ka na. Bigyan ko ng gift. Picture.
Picture.
Masaya na ako kunwari, babe.
Hindi pa daw dumadating sa'yo, Buntis. Suspense daw yun.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Kaya ka natatalo eh.
Yun din, sabi niya kaya, sabi niya.
Okay, tamo, second emotion. Ganun talaga yung bitutuo talaga.
Si Alex.
Sorry, Alex. Tagal ko na ng kabebe.
Hindi ka tuloy pinapalo.
Oh, yun. Paano ba to? Naka-on na ba to, Alex?
Ito sa gang leader namin sa ER.
Look here.
Kala ko si Dr. Gasang kasama sa
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ate, hindi mo alam yan. You don't know what's inside.
Okay, next. Next.
Okay, na generator.
Now she's the new nurse or she's expert now with Dr. Levente. Specialization.
No.
ENT.
Specializes in consent. Signing consent.
Okay.
Why is the Dr. Levente's IG nurse also?
Picture. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, next.
Next. Who's left?
For me, my gift is already delivered to house pero she's not here. She's on duty.
Picture them. We will wait for you.